Welcome back, everyone, to the third installment of the Path to Lead Hype video. Today, we'll look at how to leverage self-discovery inside your coaching conversations. So let's recap. So in the previous hype video, we discussed know your people. And by now, you're probably scheduling your folks 2 weeks out, color-coding your invites, and having more thoughts around how you want to show up and connect with your folks for those sessions. Now let's move over to leverage self-discovery. And to do this, let's first answer the question, what is self-discovery? Self-discovery is the ability to identify insights into one's own capabilities and understanding. And when leveraged correctly inside of a coaching conversation, it can unleash another person's ability to think for themselves. A coach's role is to ask questions, provide encouragement, and help their coachee think through their strategies for success or dealing with challenges. By asking open-ended questions, you empower ownership and accountability. Open-ended questions drive learning and create connections in the coachee's mind. It allows the coachee to explore and think about what strategies worked and what strategies didn't. In contrast, a close-ended question can do the opposite. Close-ended questions can lead to yes or no responses. For example, if you were to say to your coachee, Maya, did you do something different this month to achieve such a low average handle time? The coachee can respond with a yes or no and not explore what behaviors led to these excellent results. Let's hear what that same question sounds like if we're open-ended. Maya, what did you do this month that led to a low average handle time? This allows the coachee to explore and think about what behaviors led to their good results. So we've explored the benefits of self-discovery, and you're probably wondering, is self-discovery always needed? Let's explore when giving direction can benefit the coaching conversation. If the solution requires only one answer, for example, a specific action or alignment to a process like authenticating a customer, then giving direction is helpful to ensure compliance from your coachee. But once you've given direction, follow up and explain the why, and then check for understanding by asking open-ended questions. For example, Maya, the authentication policy requires a full confirmation of the customer's first and last name. Can you share with me how it can impact the business and our customers if full authentication is not done on each call? Give direction and check for understanding. Let's explore feedback. Giving feedback should be a collaborative conversation. Let's say you and your coachee are reviewing one of their calls. Before sharing your feedback with the coachee, ask them where they thought they did well on that call. Always start with the positives. After your coachee has shared what they did well, ask questions like how their did wells impacted the customer experience, department objectives, and ask what's in it for them. After your coachee has shared their insights, ask if you can share what you thought they did well. Did well conversations allow you and your coachee to recognize and explore their good behaviors. Great. Now that you've both shared the did wells, ask your coachee if there's anything they would do differently. Allow your coachee the opportunity to reflect if there is a specific area they would like to improve. If there is already an area of focus your coachee is working on, be specific. Ask, what would you do differently in the area of average handle time? If you see your coachee is struggling to call out a do differently, that's okay. Perhaps there's nothing they feel they need to improve on. Ask if it's okay for you to share a do differently. Now, this is not an opportunity to run down a list of items that needs to be improved. Try to limit your feedback on one specific area of focus and make the feedback collaborative. Think about how your feedback impacts the business, the customer experience, and the WIFMs. The WIFM stands for What's in it for me? In this instance, the me is your coachee. So let's hear what collaborative feedback from the coachee's perspective sounds like. Maya, can I share with you some tips that might help you shave off some ACW time and continue to reduce your overall handle time? Wait for the coachee to say yes, then proceed. Maya, what are your thoughts on saving a template for your customer notes on your desktop so you can copy and paste it when needed? It can help save time so you're not typing it out for each customer interaction. What are your thoughts on using this approach? But don't stop there. Ask your coachees questions to build on the feedback you shared. Maya, what challenges do you foresee if you were to incorporate this strategy? This allows your coachee to think about how they can overcome potential obstacles. Sharing feedback should always be coupled with a forward-thinking approach. It should focus on the coachee and not the issue. After all, we can't change the past, but we can change the future. So there you have it. We reviewed how impactful leveraging self-discovery adds to the coaching conversation, and we introduced the concept of did wells and do differentlys. And finally, we showed how sharing feedback can be an opportunity to act as a thought partner where you hold your coachees capable of determining their best approach. Let me leave you with this final thought. Insights, or aha moments, create sudden changes in the brain. When new information is integrated or old information is finally bridged, feel-good neurochemicals are released. Some insights are powerful enough to create lasting change immediately, while others require ongoing support. Coaching capitalizes on these moments of powerful brain activity by formulating action plans that carry the aha moment forward and providing ongoing accountability to drive lasting change. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you next time.